glacier. Somewhere there in the middle. That's the glacier over there. And I'm getting lazy, so I'm using this camera to shoot videos now.
One with tuna.
One with tuna? Laura's eating. So yeah, here we go. Yeah. There's the glacier. You just have one thing to do, just to park on the right spot, but you just have to park in the middle. Yeah, you just have to park in the middle. Why? Why'd you have to park in the middle? Morning guys, we're here at the Franz Josef Glacier walk, and we're walking because this is a walk. Yeah. Anyway, good weather today, no fog, and naitaos tubangan, cool. But yeah, heading there. Good. Anyway, back to what I was talking about. Nahanga ko. Yeah, I'm sporting the Kathmandu jacket, which is not sponsored, and also the one here we have the Wandered Provoke 21 bag, and I'm using the Zion crane and the Sony RX100 as my camera now, but all of them are not sponsored. I'm having low battery now. Oh, stop focusing on my face. Let's go. So Laura, how are you going? How's the sand? Yep. Oh, not able to control the camera. So we're ascending now, and I can hear the choppers. Oh, I can see waterfalls now. So yeah, we got up late. Oh, wait, sorry. We got up late. We're heading to Franz Josef Glacier here now, and I'm panting. Yeah. Okay, 19. Oh shit, my camera's just. Sorry about that. Okay, in 1908, the glacier stopped this part here, and it's all ice, and you can see how far it's been. So it's just due to global warming, and you can see there's a waterfall over there, and yeah, so that's how far the ice has receded. You know how I know that? There's a sign here. I'm just reading from the sign, but not reading it properly. Anyway, nonsense, yeah? Joseph walk is just an hour and a half. Return. Is it return? One way. Yeah, it's an hour and a half hike, and yeah, it's just a walk in the park. As long as there are no glaciers falling, and yeah, you can see it now. It's blown out, but yeah, that's how near it is. So this is the treasures walk here. Tanawa ra gud ning bayahan na gud. Nagdalag jacket, gibit-bit. Pag human, nagdalag extra nga jacket, nasa kumbag, dako kayo. Human, ay, may tanaw. Madungan ta. Human, ang akong bag dirik, nasa iyang bini. Natanan rin putang sa kuwa, porter ko karon. Samning. Init. Wala ko'y gisulti. Wala. So yeah, we're starting our hike to the glacier. Laura brought 2 jackets, and now she's not wearing one. And then the other one's in my bag. My bag is so huge right now because she has the huge... There! Oh, Yeah. In the olden times, this place here is a whole glacier island. No, it's not an island. These rocks are formed by erosion, sublimation, and adhesion. There are layers and layers of ice and silicon and granite on these rocks. They form through weathering. And if you believe me, you're crazy. I don't know anything what I'm talking about yet. It's blown out. These rocks here, it's really cool. They were formed by weathering, of course. And as you can see, this place here is a whole glacier land, and Laura's waiting for me now. This place here is a whole glacier land. The glacier just receded just due to climate change. But yeah, it's amazing. Look at these rocks. They're really formed by time. Yeah, the glacier's up there, going uphill. Yeah, we're here. Not quite. Out of batteries. I ran out of batteries myself. My camera's low in battery. We're gonna be fucked. Anyway, good thing I'm in the parking lot right now. Laura went ahead. Met some fellow guys there. Awesome. Okay, gotta get to the car now. Not much of a vlog. Nah, just photos for this trip. A lot of photos. Oh, those furry thingies with sharp horns. They can kill you too. Yeah. Oh, it's looking at us now. Look at us. Hey. Hey. Okay, going back to the car now. Yeah.